Hello everyone, I'm Monique Smith. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've recorded. I haven't recorded one since October 2019. I apologize. I've just been busy taking care of a 2-year-old, making sure he stays alive, you know, all that jazz. And by the end of the night, when I usually would have time to make a video, I'm pretty tired and don't really feel like making videos, so I usually just lay in my bed and watch Netflix. So here we are today. I have plenty of time now to make a video because we are all quarantined and at home, awaiting this whole coronavirus thing to go away. And I thought, what better way to utilize the time that we have at home than to make a video. So here we are. So in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to create a whole look with only $5. I spent $5 on this Glam L.A.Colors makeup kit. Got it at Big Lots. I've had this thing for a while and I thought, you know, today's the day. So besides my foundation and concealer, which will not be used from this kit because it's not in this kit, that's all I'm going to be using is everything in here. So we'll see how this goes. So just bear with me. Let's have some fun. Go ahead and make yourself some coffee, you know, snuggle up with a nice blanket and just enjoy yourself. All right. So in this kit we have, it's a 20-piece eye, lip, and nail kit. I'm not gonna really, well, I guess I could do the nails. So we have eyeshadow, we have blush, we have eyeliner, we have mascara, lipstick, and nail polish. This one is called Socialite. It says, glam up like a socialite, always be ready with mesmerizing eyes, gorgeous flush cheeks, in-demand lips, and chic manicure. So we're gonna bust this thing open. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and my concealer. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use Face Tape by Tarte. This is the Face Tape foundation, not to be confused with the concealer, which I'm actually also gonna be using. So we're gonna use these babies, put them together. So usually what I do is I just put a little bit of foundation on my hand like that, and then I just dab it in. Oh, I need a mirror. One thing I didn't do, which I probably should have, is I didn't put on primer, which I usually do, but we'll just keep going. So this color is a little light for me. I think maybe I was lighter when I purchased it. So I'm gonna put some True Beige Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation on top of it to kind of make it more of my skin tone. Okay, that's better. In the camera, it kind of still looks maybe lighter, but it's actually a lot better and it looks okay in real life. So then I'm gonna add some concealer just underneath my eyes. I usually put some down the center of my nose and on the outside of my nose and up here and down here and there. Just all the little spots. I usually like Laura Mercier powder, finishing powder, but I'm all out, so I'm going to use the Airspun loose face powder instead. I'm just putting it underneath my eye. I just kind of pat it underneath my eye, on my nose, and on my forehead, all the places that get oily. Now we're going to go ahead and dive into this L.A.Colors Glam Socialite kit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with the eyes. So I'm going to use the Color Prism eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use this darker brown color for my eyebrows. Whew, we'll see how this goes. So, close my stomach. Okay, my eyebrows don't look so terrible. It's actually pretty close to my eyebrow color, actually. It's not like covering everything I'd like it to, but it works. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this color right here, just for that first transition color. You know what? I'm actually pretty impressed with this first color because it's blending really well into my lid, so I like that. I like it a lot. So we're gonna use, let's see. So we're gonna use actually the same color that I put on my brows, that brown color, and we'll put that color on next. There is some fallout right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there is fallout, so just to let you know. Okay, so the biggest thing right now is I'm seeing some fallout. It's blending pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's sticking to my eyelids, which is great. And I think the next color I'm going to use is this darker color right here. Kind of like a purpley dark color. So this color is kind of like clumping up a little bit. I don't know, it's weird. It spreads kind of weird. I'll try a different brush. Bring it out a little bit. Fallout is not cool, man. I'm gonna add some more powder underneath my eyes. That way, if there is more fallout, it's not gonna totally mess up my makeup. Okay, and I think I'm gonna use this color right here. It's kind of like an auburnish color. I'm gonna use that underneath my eyes. Okay, next I'm going to use this like really goldy color right here. And I'm going to put this in the middle of my lid. That's pretty. I'm actually going to take that same color, I'm going to add it right in the corner of my eye. I'm just going to try to blend it in more. That's really the key to making your makeup look better, is to make sure it's blended. But sometimes, depending on the product, maybe it doesn't blend that well. It can be harder to do so. Okay, this eyeliner is, what color is it? It doesn't say, but it's black. Okay, right away it's really coarse, so it's kind of hard. I'm not really getting a lot of pigment. So it's not gliding, it kind of feels like I'm stabbing my eye. So I'm trying really hard to stay like close to my eyelash line. And I don't really use pencil liner that much. I'm gonna go underneath the lash line. And going underneath really helps to fill in all the blank areas or areas you can't reach on the top. Really get in there. Not so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush I used for my eyebrow, and I'm gonna take this darker black color. It's kind of like, oh no, actually it is matte. And I'm gonna go over the top of my eyeliner. To kind of set it. And next, I'm going to use the blush. It's called Blush Shimmer. It's kind of like a peachy color and has a iridescence to it. It comes with this brush. So let's try it. It has a lot of fallout already, I can tell. This brush is not the best. I might not use this brush. Well, let's see. Oh, Like the bristles are falling off. It's not the greatest. I'm gonna use my own brush instead. That's a lot better. It has a really nice iridescence to it. Not too bad. Actually quite pretty. It's a lot better if you use a better brush that picks up the product. Otherwise, if you use the brush that comes in the kit, it's really horrible. And usually I would use a bronzer, but this doesn't come with the bronzer, so I think I'm gonna use the eyeshadow instead as a bronzer, maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna use this brown color right here. I'm gonna use it as a bronzer. This might be totally horrible, but let's see. Let's see. The trouble is this brush is so big and it's hard to get out the pigment without getting the other colors next to it. It works. Okay, well, that actually didn't work too bad. I'm kind of lightly using the shadow, the brown shadow as a bronzer, so that worked okay. Okay, the next thing, I'm gonna put some mascara and then lipstick, and then we're done with the actual makeup, and then I'll try the nail polish. Oh, yeah, we're not using this. It is like solid as a rock, or it's all, oh no, we're not using this. I think I've had this for too long, so this is not okay anymore. So I'm just gonna use my own mascara. Hold please. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Luminous Carbon Black L'Oreal Paris mascara instead, because we can't use what was in this box. Okay, last for the makeup, we're gonna go ahead and use the lipstick. Okay, here we go. It feels kind of nice on my lips. Actually not too bad so far. Okay guys, that's the final makeup look. It's actually not too bad for $5. I mean, besides the mascara totally being not usable, but that's probably more because I waited too long to use it. Maybe if I got it right away, it would have been better because mascara doesn't last forever. The eyeshadow, some of the colors were more blendable than others. I noticed that the darker colors were not as blendable and harder to use, but the colors are pretty. I actually do like the lipstick. I'm not sure about the wear, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I guess I'd give it a 6. If you're in a bind, if you need something cheap, then definitely get it. I mean, it's better than like the dollar store. And there's a lot of people I know that like L.A.Colors products. So yeah, I'll give it a 6. Let's try the nail polish and that'll be a wrap after that. It's a really pretty color. We'll see how it lasts. Alright guys, so this is how my nails turned out. I actually really like the color and the application was nice. And from my nail polish experience, I can kind of tell that it's probably going to dry quickly. I would definitely do a double coat so that it completely covers your nail and you don't have any inconsistencies. But besides that, it's a really pretty color. So yeah, I had a lot of fun with this kit. Again, if you just need something cheap and quick, I'd say go for it. Go ahead and use it. Use it with your own brushes, and it doesn't have any kind of face makeup, so definitely have that as well. But overall, it was fun. It was fun to use. So again, this is not like a top of the line brand, and you are gonna get what you pay for. But it was still fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can get all of my upcoming videos in the future. Have a great, amazing, blessed day, you guys. I'm gonna be using a Tarte foundation called I can't say this word. No, that's not what it's called. I'm just all kinds of messed up today. I would definitely do a double coat so that it fully covers your nail. You don't see any inconsistency. Thank you guys so much for watching.